Alright, g'day guys, Matt Preston, Built Prado, welcome back. Now I just thought I'd do a little update. I haven't done one of these in a long time, but pretty much what's happening is, behind the scenes, I'm getting another car, okay? So the Prado is staying around, but there's going to be a big rebrand happening. So that's why I've been a little bit slack on the post lately. It's because there's big plans behind the scenes. Now I have already looked at a car, but it wasn't the one, so we're going to keep waiting. And I just thought I'd update you guys because it's still exciting, not so out the bag. Stay tuned, you don't know what I'm going to get. You don't know if it's going to be a Patrol 100 series, you know, it could be a Great Wall, you know, it could be anything. So just stick around and you'll find out. I'm very excited though. Yeah, you're just going to have to stay around. So another update, there's a trip coming up in about a week from now, and me and my mates were doing, it's pretty much the Great Ocean Road, but we're doing the full drive version. So I'm going to get this car prepped, and I thought also in this video I'd just show some little items I bought from Vic Off Road. And this isn't a sponsored message, these are just genuine ones I bought because I need them. Okay, so this is just the Sanh Swag. Now, it is on Vic Off Road. I think it's about $80. And I think it's a little bit similar to the King's one. But what I did like about this one is that it came with two little mounting options. So, first one is a giant spring. Looks like the big one on the GME Aerial. So you've got that option, which is the one I will use. And then it also comes with this other option, which most people use. It's just a tiny little nib, so there's no spring absorption in that, but it will still work the same, and it's not as cumbersome. Alright, so it's pretty basic how it goes together. If you have one of these, you probably don't even watch this video, but essentially this just goes on the end of this, and it's got a little like pullback thing on here, so you pull that back and then it clips on, so you can pull it on and off really easily. So that clips on there like that, now that's on. And also if you wanted a smaller one, you could just get the one size and put that on, and that's to be fairly tall. But if you want to do full length, you've got the 3 spots here, so these just screw on with a thread, so it's pretty simple. Alright, now what else I bought, which I essentially never want to use, is the ATM Power. It's essentially just a battery charger, so quite self-explanatory. You don't know how they work. You pretty much just get this device, plug that in your 240-volt wall, and then comes with a cable adapter here, and it just comes with different adapters on this end. So I've got, you know, jumper leads here, or I've got another output here. So I'll just grab the battery ones, which are these, plug that into that, bada bing bada boom, charges your batteries. So that's what it's for. I'm hoping not to use this, but that will come in handy when the battery inevitably goes flat at some point.